Hi guys, my name's Andy Calm. I run a business called Cosy Plumbing and Central Heating. I'm here at Ideal today to build my own boiler. Let's see how I do.
So first thing you do, go up and then you'll scan
These two first.
Yeah. Start with the
Plug.
pressure release pipe.
Oh, it's down here on top. Just made this boiler. You've seen me go around the areas, different areas. You're obviously accountable for every part that you install on it. It's been a fantastic learning experience for me because usually I just fit them on a wall and I don't give any care or attention to how it's been made. So it's been fantastic here today down at Ideal. Made my own boiler and now I'm just going to test it. It's amazing for me to see all that. It's like, yeah, I know they've got a lot more technical nowadays and I know that there's a lot more involved. But
Now it's testing the diverter in the different positions. So first time. So that's your boiler.
I'm proud of that one. Here it is, it's all boxed up, it's been through all the tests. We've actually put a boiler together. Brilliant, really quite proud of my little baby. All boxed up and ready to go.